everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are reviewing the Rosalind Mini Gel Polishes. Now I have prepped my nails, but I still need to put on base coat and stuff because these are just the colours, but I have a whole bunch of these colours that I'm excited to try out. I've just gotten this huge range of them and I've put a little kind of coloured thing on top so you guys can see what colours are all there. They are all the same. It is the ones with how much product is in it. It doesn't say how much product. I think it's like 30 mils or 10 mils or something. I'm not sure. I feel like that's quite a broad amount, but these are all the colors I have. I did order another one, but in shipping to New Zealand it did actually kind of get a bit janky, so I thought just keep with these ones. So I'm not sure what kind of like color pattern I should do with these. Not really particularly sure. There's a lot of really cute, beautiful colors in here, so I'm excited to see how they perform. I have used Rosalind in the past, and it is actually a really, really good brand, so I am excited to see how these colors show out. So I'm going to put base coat on and pick some colors, and let's go from there. So I've decided to do this gradient of purples, because then I think I could do some really pretty flowers with the whites and the oranges. I think I'm going to skip out on the, I could do leaves with the greens maybe. But I thought that these colors were really, really gorgeous. And I just wanted to show how easy it was to apply them, because with the small little mini, there's me getting it on my finger, with the small mini brushes, it's just nice and easy to actually apply the product. So I'm just putting, I think I'll go 2 layers of this, just because it's quite, what do you call it? Opaque. Is that like when it's quite see-through? So I'm just going to make sure I apply 2 coats of that one. Just kind of remember what it is. It's a really nice rosy color as well. We'll just do this one here. This one I feel like you could just do 1 coat because it is actually quite thick in pigment, if that makes sense. Like the pigment is quite strong in that one. But a really, really gorgeous color. I think we're going to go purple in the middle. And again, this shade looks like it could be one. Oh no, you definitely want to go 2 coats with this one. Regardless, I'm going to go 2 coats with all of these anyway, because then it'll be nice and thick and they'll all be the same thickness.
It's too late. It's too late. And it's too bad you're not who you wanna.
Alright, so that is all 5 colours on that I've picked there. So now under the lamp. Alright, so now that we've done that for 60 seconds, we want to load these up with another coat and then we're good to go. Alright, so I've laid out every colour. So you could just finish it with this, put a top coat on if you wanted, and then you've just got a nice like purple-y gradient there. Otherwise, you can do some art. So I just wanted to use all of the colours that I had just to kind of see what they look like. So I'm just going to get a dotting tool, and if you guys do want a video on how to do nail art, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm just going to go ahead and do some pretty little flowers, and then we'll cure those too. So there you can see the final product with all of the different flowers and vines and stuff. So I've pretty much used every single color on this design, so all there is to do is the other hand, and we'll see what design we come up with on that one. That's it there. Alrighty, that is the final nails using the Rosalind Mini Gel Polishes, so these here. So I have done lots of intricate little floral designs, because I thought that was a good way to show off all the different colors. I really like the neons. The neons have a very, very bright color. The oranges are such a nice little pop there. The whites are really good as well. For the price point of these are really, really, really affordable, really reasonably priced, and they definitely do last. These will probably last about 3 weeks, and they'll just grow out, and then I can just file them off and start again. But that is them there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my little kind of mini review of the mini gel polishes. I have used them before and I really do like them. They're really good quality. They stay on, they don't bubble up. Like once they've cured it for 60 seconds and you're all good to go, baby. So honestly, I really like them. They go on really nicely and they just look really cute. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one.